Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CCL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis yesterday, and that is where the green line here is coming from. And to think that that green line is now just totally irrelevant really just shows how nasty of a day it was. But as a quick recap, I talked about that being a level of support, and you can see that this morning with the gap down in that opening 30 minutes, the price broke below there. And then from there, it was basically all bearishness the remainder of the day. So what I'm going to do here is just adjust this level down. Like I said, it's still pertains to the chart. Yes, it's just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion. But the line that everybody and their, aunts, sisters, uncles, mailman is going to be watching tomorrow is right here at $8. And I bring that up and I make that comment because I don't want to come across like this is some sort of special discovery on my part or that I have some sort of unique talent. Quite the opposite. I assure you, people that understand charts, use charts, are going to be watching the $8 mark. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic price movements. And that's what we have going on here at the $8 mark. That was where the bleeding previously stopped when things got really rough a couple weeks ago. And now the price is definitely within striking distance of that area. So like I said, whether you're a long or a short, the key technical level that, like I said, a whole lot of people are going to be watching is that $8 mark. In the event the price works its way backwards or back to the upside, that key level of resistance is now going to be right here at 1070. And this is just, again, based off that rule that levels of support when they're broken. So let's just first establish the fact that this was indeed a level of support. You can see that's where it paused today. But when they're broken, they tend to act as resistance. So in any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, 1070 is definitely going to be that initial level from the resistance side of things. But all in all, brutal day, and we'll see what Thursday has to bring. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.